we are going to look at these three words. They are loathe, labor, and crave. The first word we want to look at is loathe. That means to hate or strongly dislike something. So those two words, loathe and hate, are both synonyms. We know synonyms are words that have similar meaning. We use the word loathe to talk about things that we strongly dislike. For example, I loathe peas. I dislike the texture and they taste disgusting. It's just my own personal opinion. Yours might be different. The antonym of this word is going to be adore. So remember that adore means to love or be very fond of something or someone. So we have two examples here. The Grinch absolutely hates or loathes Christmas. I want you to think, what is something that you loathe? Something that I loathe is blank, because if you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Excellent. Let's look at the next word. This word is labor. You can labor or work hard physically with your body or mentally with your mind. So, for example, you see here in this illustration, when you are figuring out a tough math problem, you are laboring mentally, versus when you are helping to clean up the yard, now you are laboring physically. When have you labored physically or mentally? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. You can use this sentence frame right here. I labored blank when, go ahead. And the last word that we want to look at today is the word crave. I know you've probably heard this word before. It means to want something badly. It should say to long for, not long for or desire very much. So let's play a quick game. Let's look at this example. We have our friend Milton, and Milton loves attention so much that he is constantly making jokes in class so that other students will notice him. Does Milton crave attention? You can use this sentence frame right here to answer that question. Right, I think it's safe to say that if he's constantly kind of disrupting class and making these jokes so that other people laugh, he is definitely craving attention. Let's look at another example. All day at school, Milton thinks about pickles. When he gets home, he begs his mother to give him a pickle for his snack. Does Milton crave pickles? Right, this is probably the more commonly used meaning for crave when we reference like food items that we are longing for or desiring. In this case, Milton is thinking about pickles all day, so he's craving some pickles. Let's look at the last example. Everyone in Milton's class wants the newest cell phone, but Milton is happy with the old cell phone that his grandfather gave him. Does Milton crave a new cell phone? Right, in this example, Milton is not craving a new cell phone because he's happy with his old phone. If he were craving a new phone, then he would desire something different, the most up-to-date technology. So that wraps up day 1. See you back tomorrow for day 2.